Hi, my name is Sophia, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the Manifestation Chef before actually buying the program. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about the Manifestation Chef is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is the Manifestation Chef and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. The Manifestation Chef works by combining the power of manifestation techniques with the creativity and enjoyment of cooking and eating. The course provides a step-by-step approach to manifesting your desires through a series of manifestation recipes. These recipes are designed to activate the brain's reticular activation system, R.A.S., align it with your desires, and create a shift in your vibration, attracting what you want into your life. Throughout the course, Lisa guides you through each manifestation recipe in video format. She takes you inside her kitchen, explaining the science behind each recipe and how it can manifest specific outcomes in your life. The recipes are quick, simple, and use common ingredients, making them accessible to anyone, regardless of their cooking experience. By following the manifestation recipes and applying the techniques taught in the course, you can harness the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions to manifest your dream life. The Manifestation Chef provides a unique and enjoyable approach to manifestation, allowing you to tap into the power of your heart and the science of your brain to create a holistic and effective manifestation process. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with the Manifestation Chef, and you can have results as well. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test the Manifestation Chef for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give your money back. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy the Manifestation Chef, and also, if you do buy the product, enjoy all the wealth of information, take it seriously. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that the Manifestation Chef helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this program promotes.